amazing learners. You are welcome to my classroom. My name is Assurance, and it is so nice of you to view my profile. I'm going to tell you something very interesting about me. I am a seasoned UNESCO, TEFL, Microsoft, and Google certified educator. I have over 5 years' experience teaching English language. I am specialized in teaching conversational speaking. So if you want to improve your conversational speaking, whether for your travel, educational needs, fun or leisure, you're welcome to join my classroom. I also teach English for beginners. So if you don't know how to speak English at all, I am here for you. I teach British English. So if you want to improve your British way of speaking, or if you want to speak correctly, you're welcome to join my classroom. I also teach English for kids, for children, and for adults. So, whatever needs you have in English language, you're welcome to join this classroom. Creative writing is another skill I teach. So if you want to improve your creative writing skill, you are welcome to join this classroom. And in no time, you will improve tremendously. I am that teacher who uses fun activities in the classroom. I use games, I use lots of interactive sections in the classroom, videos, and I know that you will love it. Of course I do. Okay, I am that teacher that you don't want to leave the classroom, and you are an enthusiastic learner just like I am an enthusiastic teacher. I hope to see you in the classroom. Bye.